Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time and so much has changed in my life. I have joined residency, it's been 3 weeks and I changed city. I'm at a new place. As you can see, the background is changed and yeah, I was adjusting to the new life. I'm sorry that I could not make this video earlier. I tried but nothing was coming in my mind. I was not feeling like it was not like I was not getting time, but I was not feeling like making a video over such an important topic, such an important strategy. And so now that I've adjusted a little bit to the new place, the new city, the new environment, so I have decided that I will make this video and I will try to answer all the questions you guys have commented to me in past few days. And yeah, so let's get started with the strategy video of how to approach UPSC CMS 2026 written paper. And before that, I will announce dates once again that the start of application is from 11th of March, which will end by 31st of March 2026. So let's get started with the strategy video. So I have with me my two paper set, like the 500 marks paper happens in two set of papers. They are divided into first general medicine and pediatrics paper, and the other paper contains surgery, obs-gynae and PSM. Yes, PSM is important for UPSC CMS. So we will analyze both the papers and I will explain what you need to prepare for each of the paper. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so hi. So two types of people would be watching this video. First, जिनको कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि क्या कोर्स में है, क्या पढ़ना है. Another type will be जिनके पास अपना एक रिसोर्स है and they are following that. So अब हमारे पास टाइम है मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून एंड जुलाई. ओके, 2 अगस्त को आपका पेपर है. So we have 5 months and 5 months is the bestest time one could have to reach to the peak of their preparation. So today is your day 0 and you have to start today and treat it as the day for figuring out which source and which path you will take. I'm not saying that that will be the only path you will follow throughout your journey, but you should have a basic material to which you can top it up with the extra material, the extra sources, the questions you are doing. उसके साथ आप उसको top up कर सकते हो. Now the question is from where to start. If you're following any resource, stick to it. Stick to the shorter version of it. जैसे कि if you're following a particular platform, you can follow the rapid revision notes of that platform. If you're not following anything, you can follow BTR. I am insisting over this because first जहाँ से कॉन्फिडेंस आता है वो है वी नो द मटीरियल, वी नो द सिलेबस. आप बैठ गए जीटी देने, यू आर टेकिंग एन जीटी एंड यू डोंट नो कि ये क्वेश्चन कहाँ से आया है. एटलीस्ट रैपिड रिविजन या BTR करने से यू विल नो कि ये क्वेश्चन वहाँ से आया है एंड आई हैव टू गो बैक टू दैट पेज एंड रीड दैट थिंग. इनसे क्वेश्चन आता है. आई एम टॉकिंग द वेरी बेसिक्स हियर. Second thing which I will insist on is PYQs and PYTs. It is important for INICTs, it is important for UPSC CMS, it is important for NEET PG. UPSC CMS में तो PYTs are like very very crucial. I can tell you these 10 topics to read in PDF and go, and you will get a lot of questions from that. आपका एप्टीट्यूड जो होगा वो बिल्ड होगा ओवर द टाइम. सो इट्स नॉट अ 2 days थिंग, इट्स नॉट अ 1 week थिंग, इट्स अ प्रोसेस. यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट प्रोसेस. तो PDR इज लाइक कि डू इट फ्रॉम BTR, डू PYQ वीडियोज़, एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द PYQ videos of UPSC CMS particularly. Okay, so if we talk about obs-gynae and surgery and PSM paper, a few particular questions like कोई प्रोग्राम चल रहा है जैसे कि वीकली आयरन फॉलिक एसिड का एक क्वेश्चन था जो लास्ट ईयर भी रिपीट हुआ था, लास्ट ईयर भी रिपीट हुआ था एंड इट गॉट रिपीटेड दिस टाइम ऑल्सो एंड इन INICT ऑल्सो. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि ये का PYQ इसी में रिपीट होगा, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. स्टेट MO का जो पेपर होता है उसके क्वेश्चन INICT में एकदम एग्जैक्टली रिपीट हो रहे हैं, लाइक वर्ड टू वर्ड रिपीट हुआ. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन एवरी एग्जाम हैपनिंग इन दैट ईयर. जो भी एग्ज़ाम हो रहा है, राजस्थान MO और CMS, INICT, NEET PG, यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट एग्जाम. और कुछ ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. जब आपको एक बार हैंग हो जाता है सब सिलेबस का, व्हेन यू नो योर सिलेबस, यू विल लुक थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस एंड यू विल नो ओके यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आए, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आए, जस्ट लुक एट द आंसर एंड दोज क्वेश्चंस आर सॉर्टेड फॉर यू. And other than that, medicine is quite a little tricky, I would say, in UPSC CMS. Most of medicine will get covered from the systems the way Zana ma'am has taught, and medicine people ask some miscellaneous questions which are not covered generally in the preparation we are preparing for NEET PG, ICT or CMS. So you can just skip, you don't have to score like 100% marks na, so you can skip it, and even if you get those wrong, it won't matter. So you can like very well manage to clear this exam with good marks, and so basics are this only, but it's up to you. तो फालतू के डाउट छोड़ देना, कौन सा रिसोर्स, सुबह उठूँ रात को सोऊं, ये सब कुछ नहीं है. आपको जब पढ़ना है पढ़ो, आपका टारगेट है आपको वो अचीव करना है. 5 months का मैराथन है, उसमें भागना है.